How to share contents on Reddit. Are you guys facing issue to share contents to your friend on Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. Once you open the Reddit application, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now go about the post that you want to share to your friend. Look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the share icon. Tap on it. You can just simply tap on copy link and paste it on your friend's inbox. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna share contents on Reddit application. If you guys have any issues regarding Reddit app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.